Hey guys, it's October 4th, 2021. We are looking at MRK, and this stock did 2.5 million volumes pre-market. It is right now currently at around 50 million shares of volume. I don't know if this is hard to borrow. I guess not. You can short it, and it is actually closing or looking like it's going to close higher than it did the previous day. We're looking at a 5-day chart, 5-minute candlestick, and I would say just based off today, we can draw maybe a good support line somewhere around, was that 82, 54, 57? Yeah, I would say that's a good support line for tomorrow. If it breaks this support line, we know to get out of Dodge. And as far as the resistance, is right now is meeting the VWAP. Let's zoom in to get a better view. Right now it's meeting VWAP. It bounced off of VWAP, heading down. I would say maybe we could draw a resistance line somewhere right here. Looks pretty nice to me. We have two telling arguments here. One, kind of this section here, two, and then three actually, to where it's playing within a range. I think if it closes within this range, we would have to just pay attention to the pre-market tomorrow to see if it's above VWAP, above the 83.46, to see if there's going to be a continuous incline in the chart from MRK. And as far as possible dip buys, I would say maybe somewhere near 82.66. If you can't get 82.66, well, if it goes below 82.66, I would set my stop loss somewhere 82, maybe, yeah, 82.45. Yeah, if it breaks the low of the day, I would think it's going to go lower. Let's take another look. Well, let's take a look at another stock, excuse me. WISH, we did a lot of big numbers today. Earlier today, it was pre-market at 2.2 million shares traded. It's closing today around 60 million shares traded. I do believe you are able to short the stock as well. This one, unfortunately, is closing lower than it did the previous day. So this is a decline. It's red. Based off of this, I would say we can draw a support line maybe at, well, let's zoom into the 1-day chart and see what can we pull out of this mess. Yeah, I would say this is probably going to linger around this price target by the close of the bell today. So let's just draw a support line here. I think that's a good line. And as far as resistance, I'm thinking I like 5.02. Yeah, there was a lot of action up here when it was up here. And then it kind of just stayed below 502 and kind of dwindled down. So if it can get above 502, I think it'll bring back some of that action, that volume. But it is within a range now. So now will probably be a good dip buy. And again, set your stop loss, not too far from here. Maybe depending on, I can't really tell you. Depends on how many shares you want to risk making. And then, yeah, because this thing has been dropping. Because it's funny, even though this thing has been dropping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, I think it might be due for a turnaround. Let me see what's the news that's probably catapulting this thing downwards. We have Wish. Let's see, major news. Context Logic stock tumbles towards record low. Context Logic bonds with Correos to expand presence in Spain. That's kind of a good news. Oppenheimer downgrades. Oh, this is bad. To underperform from perform. Sets price target to $4. Okay, this is not good. This thing might drop down more before it bounces and come back up. I'm trying to see if I see any other news. Thinking about buying. Benziker's top rated upgrades. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. Oh, I do see a call sweep at $6, December 17th. Earnings is on 11/14, November 14th. So kind of mixed reviews. Yeah, I don't want to say this thing is gonna bounce up exactly, but I'm just hoping we are building some support here, because I mean this thing can't fall too far down. I mean it's not a bad company. It's having mixed news right now, and this is just, yeah. I mean it's just below VWAP. It's playing in range. I think tomorrow, if it does good volume and it stays with above this 8486, it might be a good opportunity to catch a little gain. But that's just my opinion. You guys can let me know what you think. Hopefully you made some money today in these two stocks. If you did play them or any other stocks, I will be making another video. Thank you for checking me out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.